This is Joe Cala, and I want to welcome you to the automotive industry. This might be your first day. This might be another dealership that you're working at for first time, but you've been in the business for a little while. Or it might just be, you decided that it's time to change careers and try something new. Or maybe you've been retired and want to just keep juices flowing and stay active and do something. Whatever the reason is that brought you into this industry, I want to just tell you that you are in an amazing industry. I've been in this business since 1993, and it is one of the best things that have ever happened to me in my life. You can make an amazing amount of money in this business. You could also, and you will also, meet amazing people in this business. But I'm not going to tell you that it's all easy and rainbows and sunshine. Sometimes there's some things that are going to happen in this business that might make you question, why am I still in this business? So there are going to be some things that challenge you. There are going to be some things that come your way that may be difficult and might cause you to think and say, wow, this is harder than I thought, but that's okay. I want to help give you the tools and the resources for you to be able to succeed in this industry. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and start talking about things to do to be successful in the automotive industry. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.